So if you're looking for Jungle Scout courses on Udemy, I'm inviting you to access all my Jungle Scout courses in the description on Udemy for completely free. Now, Jungle Scout is a tool for Amazon product research, keyword research on Amazon, basically like an all-in-one solution for Amazon sellers. And I have the Udemy kind of channel, my Udemy channel for you with all the Jungle Scout free courses that I have for you. Some will show you how to use the kind of all the suite of tools of Jungle Scout. Some will show you how to use the Chrome extension of Jungle Scout and whatnot. So in the description, check it all out and click on the link to access my Udemy page. Over 30,000 students have joined so far into different courses that I have for you, about 28 courses now and growing, and over, I believe, 1,300 reviews. Some are good, some are bad. What can I do? Well, doing my best for you. So check it out in the description, my Jungle Scout Udemy courses and other courses that I have for you as well for other software for Amazon sellers and different type of courses on Udemy that I have for you. Wishing you a good day. Be well. Also, you'll find best discounts for Jungle Scout in the description. Forgot to mention that. Well, check it out there.